Welcome to you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you again for joining us for another session of curve sketching. Today we're looking at a very short topic, which is going to be the critical points that we need for curve sketching. So we need to look at what we call critical points. What do we need to look out for every time that we sketch a curve? Okay. One, we need to look at the y-intercept. Not necessarily in order, but what is the y-intercept? Point, graph, cuts, the y-axis. Okay, that's your y-intercept. Next, it's going to be your, some may call it x-intercept, rarely though, but also some sectors may call it solutions. Others may call them roots of a graph or an equation. Okay, and this is the points. Graph crosses or cuts the x-axis. Another important feature is going to be the turning point. This is where the graph makes a turn or changes its gradient, and we can either have a maximum, so we can say that point where graph turns and how do we see this? There's to be change in sign of the gradient. Okay, so this is either it's going to be something like this or something like this. This here is known as a maximum turning point, and this here is known as a minimum, because as you can see, it's the lowest that it can go, and this is the highest that it can go. So that's the maximum, and this is the lowest that the graph can ever go. Other cases, the graph can go further, so that's the lowest. In other cases, the graph can go further again, but downwards, so that's the maximum right there. And last but not least, we want to talk about lines of asymptotes. So those ones are specifically lines where the graph approaches but does not cross or even meet. And we usually signify these using dotted lines. Okay, this is all the critical points that you need to make sure that you show. And that. Okay, like that. My bad on that one. Like that. Okay, so these are your lines of asymptotes right there. Alright, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for another episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us again feedback on how you think we can be able to improve the videos and get started practicing. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Goodbye.